Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy heart-shaped cupcakes. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. So I am just using a cake mix for my cupcakes. You can make your own if you want. So I'm using the strawberry cake mix and everything it calls for on the back of the box, which is 1 cup of water, a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And then I'm also using the strawberry frosting. And then I have some white and heart, and then just red, white, and pink sprinkles. And then you need 2 cupcake tins with liners. So I got the foil one, and I have some heart here and just some hot. And then you need some marbles. So I have 12 marbles. That is how we are going to make our heart shape. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to make the cake out of the back box. Alright, I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350, and now I am just going to mix with an electric mixer my cake oil, eggs, and water, just on medium speed, or low speed for a minute, and then medium speed for 2 minutes. Alright, my batter looks good to me. It's nice and mixed. I scraped down the sides with a spatula. Now we are going to fill up our cupcake tin. You can only fill half of the way full. If you go higher, then the heart shapes just don't turn out. So let's go ahead and get that started. Okay, I have my first cupcake tin all filled, and I think that's about half. It looks like it to me. So next I place my marbles in there. I'm going to do 12 at a time because I only have 12 marbles. So we'll do that and I'll show you what I did. Alright, you can see what I did here. I kind of pull back one cupcake tin at a time, or line, and then just drop my marble down in there, and you can see the cute little heart shape that it's making. So next we are going to go ahead and stick these in the oven for 19 to 23 minutes. Alright, my cupcakes are ready to go into the oven. I just basically pull back my liner, drop my marble down in there, and then I kind of pinch to make the heart because I have the foil liners. If you don't have that, you don't have to pinch it. It's fine. But I just think it makes more of a heart. So next we are going to get these into the oven for 19 to 23 minutes. Alright, my first batch has come out of the oven and they are so cute. But you can see that my marble didn't go all the way down, so there's just like an indent where the marble was. I did remove them and put them on the cooling rack so I could reuse my marbles for my second batch. So for my second batch, I just made sure that the marble goes all the way, I don't know if you can see, but it goes all the way down to the bottom. That way there's not just a little indent. The marble goes all the way. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my second batch in. And now my first batch was ready in 17 minutes, just so you know that. I guess since you're not filling these up all the way, like 3/4 of the way full or 2/3 like you would do normal cupcakes, you want to watch that time. So like I said, I'm going to get the second batch in the oven. Alright, all of my cupcakes are cooled off, so now it is time to have fun decorating them. So I just opened up my frosting and I put half of it in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to cut the tip off and I'm going to pipe mine on. I mean, you could use a knife however you want to do it. And then I'm going to add some fun sprinkles. Alright, all of my cupcakes are frosted, and I just tapped on some heart sprinkles, some little circle sprinkles, and they just look adorable. So it doesn't matter if you're not great at piping on frosting, because I'm not either, but the sprinkle it. So we are going to see what taste tester thinks. Hey taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, enough for Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Happy Valentine's Day!